Good morning. This is Michael from CFRN. I just wanted to go over the trades that we took Friday morning in the first 2 hour session on the Russell and on the other markets that we did. What I'm showing you right here is a screenshot of the Russell 2000. It's called RLM-MU1 using DT Pro. This is going through DT Pro. And this particular chart is a 3-tick range chart. We have just a couple of indicators on it. This one line, this squiggly line that you see right here, that one is called the MA1, the CF_MA1. This set of lines right here, this line that goes up and down, changes colors, and these dots that you see changing colors, that is called the elbow. The dots are an extension of the elbow. When the elbow switches directions, when the elbow switches directions, the dots are an extension of it. We had very active trading morning this morning. The debt ceiling being lifted or not is creating a lot of short-term volatility in the market here. So that gives us a lot of opportunity. I forgot to mention this indicator down here. This indicator down here is called the CF chop bands. When the bands are inside, when the red bands are inside the black bands, that means we should be wary of taking trades. All right. Anyway, I'm going to show you the trades that set up, and I'll show you the trades that I took. The trades with yellow arrows are trades that were actually taken, and the trades with orange arrows are trades that set up that I missed for one reason or another. The actual trade setup is right here. All right. What you look for is price to come down, flip the elbow down like this, get a close down below the elbow extension, and then you get a close down below that close. So the actual entry is right in there. Alright, right here is the actual entry. I use a 6-tick bracket on this, and I often extend the target out much more than 6 ticks, depending on the market volatility and whatnot that's happening at that time. In this particular case, I missed the trade this morning. I didn't get into that one. But there was a continuation trade down here. Now the continuation trade entry works the same way. You look for a close down below the MA1, and then a close down below that close. So the entry on this one was right down here. Okay. And I was looking for a 6-tick profit target on that one. Alright, so that's all there is to it, really. These are the trades of the morning. Okay, I took this trade right here. The market ran back up, and I missed this one up here that went on to win. I don't know exactly how many ticks I got out of that. Probably 6. This one over here, I think I got more than 6 out of. You see over here, we had a close down below the elbow, but we never closed below that. So we didn't enter over here. Alright, we waited for it to happen again over here and for us to get a close down below this level over here, which we got right here. Alright. So the entry over here was right there, and that went down pretty quickly to give us our profit target. I missed this one in here, but again, the close is right there. The close below was right there. That obviously ran down to give us a profit. Over here, this one was pretty easy to see. It's the opposite on the other side. We closed above, and then we closed above that. All right. So the entry was right in there, and we got profit out of that. This one over here lingered a little while, but you can see right here we got to close above the MA1, and then we got to close above that. So the entry was up here. It lingered a little while, and then it moved up to the profit target, which was good. I missed this one over here. There was a close above right here, then a close above that, it moved up. Same thing here, I missed it, close above and a close above that, and it moved up. I was able to get into this one over here. We closed above here and then closed above it right there. Alright. I didn't get in it until over here. I missed the entry back here, but I did get in it over here because it hadn't gone within a tick of my profit target. And then that one quickly moved up and gave us some profit. Same thing over here, close above and a close above that. Got in it. Over here, the continuation trade. We closed above right here, and then we closed above it right there. You can see my arrows are crossed. When the arrows are crossed, that's a losing trade. Okay, so the entry was actually up there like that, and the exit was down here. So I went long up here and I exited down here for a loss of 6 ticks on that one. Over here we closed down below, and moved lower. I missed that one. It's an orange one. Over here we closed below. It went within a tick of my profit target. I moved my stop up and got out break even. Over here we closed above right there, then closed above it right there. I didn't put the second arrow on, but we took profit on that one. Again, same thing here. Took profit. We missed this one. We missed that one. Missed this one, which was a losing trade. Missed that one, which was a winning trade. We got that. We missed that one, which was a winning trade. Missed this one, which was a losing trade. Missed this one, which was a break-even trade. We got this one and missed this one. We got this one that we didn't get too much out of. I think we only got a couple of ticks out of that one. We missed that one. We got this one and missed that one, and I think that was it for the first 2 hours. All right, so that was the first 2 hours of trading. You see right here it's 11:30. Down here on the bottom you can see the time. It's 11:30 down there. That was the first 2 hours of trading on Monday, and that was the Russell. You can see there were a ton of trades, a ton of opportunity. Now, what I try to tell people is don't be greedy, don't get in there and try to take every single trade. I did try to take as many as I could. I obviously missed a whole bunch of them. I think if you go back and you calculate everything that I missed, there were about 70 ticks, 72 ticks roughly if you use a six tick bracket available on those trades, including the losers and the break-even trades. If you go and look at the trades that I did take, my net for the morning was 50 ticks right here. All right, that's 50 ticks per contract. So overall, you can see here in the morning session, the first 2 hours, we had the opportunity to get a whole bunch of ticks. I got 50. The opportunity was there to get a lot more than that, but you could have been satisfied with half of that, and that would have been a day's work. All right, that is it. We're going to stop the recording right now, and hopefully that is informative for you. If this stuff is of interest to you, go to CFRN.net/apply. CFRN.net/apply. All right, thanks.